Hello, it's always a great pleasure when you join us in our tutorials. Welcome to this video tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use Vimeo for beginners. Vimeo is a video sharing platform that helps you in making, managing, and sharing videos and virtual events. And this can be done also for video marketing, employees communication, and video monetization. Now, to join Vimeo, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, that is vimeo.com. And once you get here, if you don't have an account, you'll click on join for free. Then you'll put your details here, your first name, the email address, and the password. That will bring you to this homepage where you can now work with Vimeo. On the left-hand side, you'll notice we have home, then we have library, and then live events, showcases, and monetize. And these are the things here that you can do with Vimeo. So how do we upload a video in Vimeo? To upload a video, you simply come up here where you can see upload. Then you click on that plus sign. It will give you this option where you can either choose or drag and drop a file. In this case, I'm going to use a drag and drop. But if I click on choose file, it leads me to my PC where I can select the video that I want to upload. So I'll drag this video of the globe and then drop it. And once I drop it there, I'll give it time to upload. And as that video uploads, down here, this is the name of the video that I've uploaded. This is something you can change, and to change that, you simply click on that, and then you can just change that title. I'll call this trial upload video. And then once you're through, you click on this tick here, and the video name has been changed. Now with uploaded videos, you now notice our video is already uploaded, and it's now optimizing. So for you to be able to edit some elements about that video, Vimeo has to optimize the video first, and then you will be able to now change a few things. And so now the video has fully been optimized. And so you notice now on this side, we have a few things that we can edit. We can edit the color here. So if I click on color, I can select any color here that I would want to appear around my video. But to do that, I'll need to upgrade. And then here, I can change again the thumbnail of the video. You notice currently this is the thumbnail we have. So I can upload another thumbnail, or I can select from the video. So if I want to upload from the PC, I'll click on upload so that I can change the thumbnail. And then I'll select any image that I want to be my thumbnail. So let me select this image of Spider-Man that we generated in a different tutorial, which is available in this YouTube channel. And I'll make that to be my thumbnail for this video. So I'll click on that, and then down here, I'll click on save. After I select it, I click on save. And there we have it. So you now notice our thumbnail is that of the Spider-Man. But if I play the video, you notice the video is the video of the globe that we have uploaded. So that is how you change the thumbnail. Down here, you can also add GIFs. You can create a GIF down here. And finally, for this side, you can edit and trim the video. If maybe the video is, maybe like this one is 12 seconds, and maybe I don't want the first 10 seconds, I'll simply click on trim, and then I'll select the trimmer, then I'll trim the part that I don't want. So if I click on trim here, so you notice now I get this point here, where I can now drag the video. Maybe I want up to that point, up to, let's say, 9, and I don't want it to start at 0. Maybe I'm interested from that place. So I'll do that. So that is, and then I can also adjust here where to start the video. Maybe I want it to start at 5 seconds and to end at 9 seconds, or I want it to end at 5 seconds. Then once I'm done, I click on save, and then my trimmed video will be saved. At the top here, you can change the privacy of your video. Currently, this video is public and can be viewed by anyone. So to change that, I'll click on public. And then down here, once you upgrade the plan, you can change either your video to be unlisted, or you can set a password, or you can hide the video from Vimeo, or you can even set the video to private. Now to set the video private, you can do it with the free version. But for unlisted, password, and hide from Vimeo, you need to upgrade your plan. Now, these 3 plans are very effective, especially when you are creating course videos or videos that you want to sell, such that once a person maybe buys the course, you send them the link or you can send them the password. So these 2 are very important, especially for content that you need to be on subscription basis. For share the link, you can share the link of your video, and with Vimeo, you can decide whether to share the whole video or just part of it. For instance, down here, you notice that I can click on Start At, so that now I'm able to just adjust the time here. So the last thing, you can also embed your Vimeo video, where you can copy it and embed it maybe on a website. So you simply click on Embed, and this will be your iframe, and then you can decide whether you want it to be responsive or fixed, and then you can copy this embed code, and then you can go to your website and then you paste it there. Another thing that you can do with Vimeo is that you can hold live events. So you notice here, our video is now in the library, and that is how you use this library. So if I add another video, then I'll keep on having another video here. And then if now I have enough videos, I can create a folder and put those videos in one folder. So if I click on new folder, and then maybe I want to call this folder missions video, then I click on create. So you now notice in our library, if I click on library, we have a folder called missions videos. And so I can put so many videos in one folder so that I can access them, maybe depending on that category. Now, back to this for live events. You can also do live events with Vimeo. So to do that, you simply click on live events, and you can now start the free demo. And this helps you to streamline via social media, and then you can embed this to your website. And it's so easy to use. If I click on start demo, I select on what I want. Is it a live broadcast or is it a webinar? So whichever one I want to use here. For instance, if it's a live broadcast, I'll click on live broadcast. And if it's webinar, I simply click on webinar. And then I'll now have to put the details here, what I want to do. And then I'll click on submit. So in this case, I'll just click on skip survey. So that takes us to the setting for the streamlining, for streaming the event. So this is how the interface looks like. This event has not yet started. So up here, I can manage the production. Then on this side, I can either allow people to chat. I can also reduce the stream delay on this side. I can set the privacy of this stream living event and all that. And to record, you simply click on this record, the second button here, and then you'll be able to either record yourself or you can do the screen recording here. So if I click on record, and so you notice on this side, we have the settings for the camera and for the mic, and for the screen, for the camera, or for both. For instance, if I want to record the screen only, I'll click on the screen. If I want to record the camera, I'll click on the camera. And you notice here, it asks me if I can allow it to use the camera. And there it is. So let me close that camera. If now I have made the settings, I click on start recording, and all the recordings that I record with Vimeo are saved in the library on Vimeo. I've already shown you the library and how to arrange the library even in terms of folders. So you notice now our library has one more item, the live event that we have just created. And then under create here, you can create videos starting from templates. For instance, you can see all these are templates that you can use. So for instance, if I want to create a video using this template, I simply click on that template once, then I click on customize, and now our video is here. So we can edit this video. So for instance, if I click on this one, we are brand agency. Let me just click on that. Then on this side, I just write there, JoshNet Production. And then I can also edit that text further. I can highlight it. I can change the font color. So I'll put it at that. So that is how you can use the create button. So you now notice we have our video here. We can edit the duration of that. If we can also delete a slide maybe we don't want the second slide, you simply click on those three dots and then you click on delete. So you now have these slides. You can edit all these other slides. You can also reduce the duration of the video or even of each slide in the video. And once you're done, you click on save, and then you'll have created your video like this. And then finally, for the event here, as we said, you can add either a live event or even a webinar. So I hope this has been a captivating introduction on how you can use Vimeo. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.